Okay, guys, so here we are. So this is another person done right here, and this I'm going to be showing you how to make a cake in Animal Jam. This is like my third or fourth time doing this. So yeah, this is my Ya278 account. But yeah, anyways, guys, so yeah, the first thing you do is click this pink bag. I think it's flour or something. Yeah, and then you click this green bottle. Then you can stir it up. You can stir it up as much as you want, but doing it once is easy. Then you click the pan. And then, oh, you don't even have to cook anything. And then it bakes in the oven. And then voila, you got a cake. And then you click on it to eat it. And there you go. So you cannot, oh wait, you can actually click on the blue bag. I never knew that. I wonder if I can click on the yellow thing. Oh, you can. Okay, never. I'm very new to this process, but yeah, you can click the yellow. You stir it up. Then you click the pan, and then it goes in the oven. And you get a different cake. I wonder if there's different combinations of the cake. Let me try another one. I have an idea. Or unless if it makes you click the green one on this. Wait, I want to see if I can get a different combination. Mix. And then you put it in the oven. And then, wow, that makes a different cake. Okay, now I'm gonna try the blue one with the green one. I wonder if you can click these ingredients up here. I'm not sure. And then you click this, and then same process. You can click it even more times if you like, but anyways, put it in the oven. Okay. And then you wait. Oh, I think it's the same cake as all those ones. But yeah, that's it. I want to wait. This probably does something. Wait, I want to see if I can add these ingredients up here. I don't think you can. And this is put here for display. I'm gonna try. No, you can't. Okay, guys, so that's the end of this video. Bye.